Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, MystiQueen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Scorpio, hi! Welcome to MystiQueen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 2 to 8, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. Gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Scorpio, what's up with you? What's up, Scorpio? Ooh, Scorpio, there's Three of Swords. What's going on? There's like a disappointment, can be a separation or problema, pag-aaway with someone that you love, or some of you might be heartbroken about something. I remember, I don't know kung, yeah, I think sa full moon reading ninyo, maaring may similar na reading, so you can watch that as well. The full moon in Aries reading for you. Let's see what else do you have for Scorpio. Six of Swords, you are moving on. You are moving forward from this pain. You're trying to move on. Let's see what else. Two of Cups. Can be a romantic relationship for some of you. What else? For Scorpio. Five of Cups. There's some sort of disappointment sa isang tao na mahal mo. Very close to you. It's like you fell in love with this person, but it seems na hindi niya na i-deliver what you really want. Okay? Or, I'm not saying can be a betrayal, but pwede rin ganun. Because it's really breaking your heart. For some of you naman, Scorpio, this can be a passing of a loved one, no? Maaring meron kayong recently someone you experienced heartbreaking event sa buhay mo, like losing a loved one or someone is very close to you. Okay? Let's see, what is the Three of Swords? What is the Three of Swords? The Hanged Man. I think you're still not over it. Na parang you're trying to digest the situation. You're trying to feel your emotions. And I feel na sinasarili mo to. Pwedeng hindi mo to sinasabi sa iba, hindi mo ina-express. You're just keeping it to yourself. And there are times na when meron kang mga kausap, bigla kang nagzo-zone out, tapos alam mo yung tulala ka. And then yeah, kasi inisip nila, oh, anong nangyari? And then they're like, may kinakwento sa'yo and all. So they thought na nakikinig ka sa kanila, but you are thinking and processing about your feelings of this painful situation. Like, why is this happening? And you want to just walk away from that. You just want, gusto mo umiwas, umalis. What is the Six of Swords? Ace of Swords. This is like a clarity in your situation. You want to understand, why is this happening? Mm-mm. It's like ano, parang you want it transactional na okay, this is painful. You ina-acknowledge mo naman na painful siya, but you're just keeping it to yourself, and yung iba sa inyo nagmamadali na umalis sa ganong state na I don't want to deal with this. I just want this to I just want to get over it. Ganon. What is the Two of Cups? King of Pentacles. This can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that is, you value this person. Someone na may authority over you. This can be a parent, a father, or a mother, or someone who's mature, more mature than you are. What is the Five of Cups? The Magician. I feel like merong nag-try na paniwalain ka sa isang bagay na hindi naman totoo. Okay? Parang ganon. For those who are dealing with someone na meron ditong parang pinaasa or pinaniwala. And you realize that hindi pala yun completely true. So where's this going? Page of Wands. The Moon. I feel like some of you iiwasan to na i-deal sa ngayon because you can't handle it. But in the next few days, you will deal with your emotions by yourself. I feel like hindi mo to ipagsasabi sa iba, or kung sasabihin mo man to sa iba, or ilalabas mo yung feelings, or kung ano man yung emotions mo. This is going to be with someone na very close sa'yo, na trusted mo talaga. But some of you, you will just keep it to yourself. You will just deal with your emotions by yourself. And from there, you will transform into someone na totally different from who you were before. Okay? Like, tipong from a very sweet person can be very cold. Okay? So, I suggest you, well, it's just my suggestion, but of course, you have your own thing. You do you. Try to release that. Kahit, even if you're not parang comfortable expressing that to someone or talking to someone, just by yourself, cry it out. Okay? To release that pain. Message in a bottle. You can also do this like literally. You can write all your feelings, write it on a paper, lahat ng nararamdaman mo, whatever that is. And then you roll it, you put it inside a bottle, and then release it to the ocean. Or there's another way. You can just burn the paper, and then I release this emotion, this energy. You know, kasi mahirap na nagkikimkim ng sama ng loob or feelings. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng rage of emotions within you. You're going to fight for that. Yes, to be fair to yourself. That's the justice that you will be needing for yourself. You owe it to yourself. Okay? And I feel like they're going to gain a lot of wisdom in this experience. You have Jupiter in Libra in the 7th house. Jupiter is about expansion, expression. And with the 7th house, this is connecting with someone that is very close to you. So you have to express yourself. You have Mercury in Aries in the 1st house. Mercury is about communication. Let it out. Wag kim-kimin. Have someone you trust and discuss your feelings. See, someone will help you in this situation. Kung ito ay related sa finances, there is someone who is going to help you, willing to listen to you, assist you. And in your love life, let's see a message. Can be an ex-lover. Oh my God. This can be a breakup from someone you love. Okay? Which is really difficult to deal with. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.